Hello everyone, if you're trying to update your games on the Epic Games Launcher and your download speed is stuck on 0 MB, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying problem on Epic Games Launcher easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out the Epic Games Launcher, and now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here app data, you're going to go into local, you're going to go into Epic Games Launcher folder here it is, go into saved, config, you should have a Windows folder here, open it up, and then you're going to have an engine.ini file here. So just open that engine.ini file, and then what you're going to do is you're going to paste this text into that engine.ini file. I'll put this code into the description of the video. You're going to copy it from there, paste it into your engine.ini file. After that, just restart your Epic Games Launcher, but make sure to run it as administrator. So just right click on it, click run as administrator, and run the Epic Games Launcher as administrator. And now when you resume your download, you'll see that your download speed will be normal now. It will not be stuck on 0 MB anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.